She tell me come inside and let's go party. Hey, I can take you back in time, no need for Rick and Morty. She say that I can be her Ken and she can be my Barbie. Baby, gon' rock that top so we get seen inside that pink Ferrari. Ooh, ooh, Barbie world.
Hey guys, I am back with another hair tutorial for you, and today I'm going to be curling my hair with a chopstick curler for the first time ever. First, I'm just detangling my hair before I get started. I will be using my Cheese Silk Infusion and the chopstick curler. First, I will be parting my hair in half because I like to work from the back to the top when I do my hair in styles like this, just because it's easier and it kind of makes more sense. I will be starting out with a small piece of hair from the back section of my head, and as you can see, I'm struggling just a little bit trying to wrap my hair around it because this is my very first time ever using this chopstick curler that I purchased off Amazon, and I will link it in the description box down below if you want to know more about it, but continue watching if you want to see how this style turned out. with them and give my hair more volume and shine. Now I'll be right back while I go finish my makeup. This is my final look for my 21st birthday photo shoot. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. And make sure you leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.